Today we're going to make quesadillas with cheese, meat, and beans. They're one of my favorite meals. So first we're going to be
put it all on there. Good job. Beans. There you go. Lots of cheese.
I'm done.
Okay, and now what do we do?
I'm going to wrap it up.
And then cook it.
Hey guys, we just finished making our quesadillas. We're going to put them in a skillet and cook them. And then we'll show you guys the rest of the video when we caught cooking them. This tastes good. Thank you for watching them, and I'll see you next time. Bye.